In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add animations into Descript. We'll navigate through the essential steps to bring life and movement to your projects, making them not only informative, but also engaging. So stick around as we explore this process together. First, let's head over to the Descript website. If you haven't bookmarked it yet, just type descript.com into your browser's search bar. Once you're there, you'll find a clean interface designed to help you efficiently manage your projects. To get the full suite of features, ensure you're logged into your account. So go ahead and enter your credentials if prompted. If you're already logged in, you'll spot your profile icon somewhere on the page, reassuring you that you're all set to get started. Once you're in, direct your attention to your existing projects. You may have a few projects already listed if you've used Descript before. Simply click on the project you wish to enhance with animations. Don't worry if you haven't done this before. This interface allows for smooth transitions between projects, ensuring that even beginners can follow along with ease. Now let's dive into the project timeline. Click on the specific project piece or segment where you aim to add some animation. This is where the fun really starts. Being able to visually enhance your content can make a real difference in how your message is perceived. As you work within your timeline, locate the toolbar that pops up. You'll notice various tools at your disposal, but today, our focus is on animations. Click the animation button on this toolbar to get started. The animation options in Descript are versatile, catering to whatever type of movement or flair you want to introduce. Now that you're in the animation menu, it's time to pick the animation effect that best fits your project. Consider what you're aiming to communicate, and choose an animation that complements your content. Once you've made your selection, this is where customization maximizes the impact of your animations. Pay attention to the duration and intensity sliders. Adjusting these parameters can transform the speed and vibrancy of your animations, allowing you to match the tone and pace of your video precisely. Remember, Descript makes it intuitive to test various effects. So take your time, experiment with different settings, and ensure the final result aligns with your vision. With each adjustment, preview the changes to see how they affect the flow and engagement level of your project. With these steps, you'll be well on your way to creating dynamic, visually appealing projects. Adding animations should enhance your narrative, giving your viewers a memorable experience. Thank you for watching, and I hope you found this tutorial helpful as you make the most of Descript's animation features. Happy animating!